Welcome to this Merch by Amazon review where we dive deep into how the platform works and how it can help you create a successful online business with no upfront costs. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service where you design custom apparel such as t-shirts, hoodies, and more, then list them on Amazon for sale. It's a great way to start a business without worrying about inventory, shipping, or upfront fees. The process is straightforward. Once you sign up, you can upload your designs and create your product listings. Amazon handles the production, shipping, and customer service, leaving you free to focus on marketing and growing your brand. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links are in the description. As you upload your designs, it's important to choose keywords wisely. Keywords are essential for getting your designs found on Amazon. Focus on relevant, popular, and niche terms to increase your visibility. You also need to monitor your designs and adjust pricing and descriptions as needed. Remember, success on Merch by Amazon requires persistence and optimization. You may not see immediate results, but over time, with consistent effort and strategic marketing, you can build a profitable dropshipping business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tips and updates on starting your own Merch by Amazon store.